Hi friends, this is Pravin here. This is the video that I have been waiting for a long time to publish, guys. But I have unfortunately missed this video and I have retaken it. So, friends, this is the most important video that you should watch. If you are a beginner to learn SEO, if you are willing to learn SEO, you must watch this video so that only you can be able to understand what are the topics are in SEO. So, without any delay, let's get into the video, friends. In this video, I am going to explain what are the topics are in SEO. So you can get to know what are the topics that we are going to learn in SEO. So in this video, I am going to cover the topics that what I am coming to explain in the upcoming days. Let's start. The first topic in SEO is SERP layout. The second topic is how search engine works. The next topic is operators used in SEO. The next one is PageRank algorithm. Next topic is linking techniques. Next is how to set up search console. Next is SEO setup cycle. Another topic, keyword analysis. Next topic again after a keyword analysis is competition analysis. Sorry, before we should do web position analysis. Next one is competition analysis. Next one is on page. So next to the on page we will do off page. Next, server side optimization. Finally, we will do SEO report. So guys, these are the topic that we should know while we are doing SEO for our client. If you want to become a SEO expert, you should must know every topics which I have entered here. So all the topics that I have entered here must be the most important one. First one is SERP layout. Second is how search engine works. Third one is operators used in SEO. Fourth is page rank algorithm. Next to page rank, you should know linking techniques. Next, how to set up search console and SEO setup cycle. So if you learned each and every topics that I have entered, you will be the SEO expert. You can become an SEO expert if you learn every topics that I have entered here. Here I have already explained what is SERP layout and how search engine works. what is a CRP layout, how search engine works, and the page rank algorithm. I will mark this is in red color so you can able to understand what are the topics that I have covered, and also page rank algorithm, linking techniques. So I have covered SCRP layout, how search engine work, page rank algorithm and linking techniques in the before video guys. If you are new to this video, please watch the before video so you can able to understand what are the topics that I have marked in red color. You don't worry that I have entered more topics. These are the very easy topics. SEO is very easy to learn, but in technical side it is very easy. If you are going to apply this topic when you are doing a project, it is very slightly tough, though you can able to understand the why technical SEO is very easy. If you learned each and every topics that I have entered here, then you will be an SEO expert. Then you can do a project. So I will explain each topic in the upcoming videos. Here you can see the SEO report. SEO report is very important when you are doing a project. When we do a project, our client will ask us to give a report about his website. So we should make a report of while giving a website and what while we are doing a SEO. So SEO report is very important. Here the SEO server side optimization. You can also call this as technical optimization. Technical server side optimization is also called we can all technical optimization, technical SEO. Here the technical side, which means the WordPress side, the web development side, we will do this. So web developers mainly do server side optimization. We will guide them to do. Next is off page optimization. Here the backlink plays major role here. In the on page optimization, there are many more topics are there. I will explain this. Before starting to do SEO, you should must research keyword. So I have only entered here keyword analysis. Next to the keyword analysis, we will do web position analysis so that we can able to find our client website from where it is ranked, and we will do the competition analysis for our client. So I have given the basic ideas of each and every topic guys. So in the upcoming videos I will explain each and everything. Thank you.